Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Microsoft 365, which was formerly called Microsoft Office, has a new feature called Dictate, which has been integrated into their Microsoft Word app. And that makes it easier for you to be able to transcribe audio into text. And so it's going to make note-taking easier and fun for everyone. This feature is available on PCs and mobile devices as well. Let's begin with the PC version and then we'll head over to the mobile device. With the PC version, you need to open your web browser and then head over to office.com. Once it's done loading, you'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft Office account if that's your first time, and then you have this interface. On the left hand side, you have a panel which has the normal apps that we find such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, and Teams as well. The Dictate feature can be found in the Microsoft Word app. Let's tap on it and then click on New Document. Once it's done loading, you should see the normal Microsoft Word layout with a new option here called the Dictate. Under the drop-down section, you have two options, Dictate and then Transcribe. With the Transcribe, you are able to upload audio onto the web app and then it converts it into text directly for you, but it can only be accessed with a premium account. With Dictate, which is the first option, it uses your microphone to be able to transcribe your voice into text, as you can see it's doing right now. Next line. Let's try reading some few sentences from a book that I read, which goes by the name 365 Days of Self-Discipline. Next line. Self-discipline means living your life the hard way, resisting temptations and instant gratification in order to receive bigger and better rewards in the future. It is certainly easier to avoid all kinds of discomfort and indulge yourself whenever you want. But in the end, all that you get from the approach is fleeting pleasure now at the expense of your future, which otherwise could have been much better. Next line. Well, I'll say that the dictate feature in the web app version of this one is quite better than the previous one that we found in Windows 7. At that time, voice recognition was quite new, and so it couldn't handle much of what people tried to say. It's a great job done here, even though I believe there's still much that Microsoft will need to add to make it one of the best voice recognition app. Well, what do you think about this feature? Let us know in the comment section. Before we head over to the mobile version, you can find more commands to try out by tapping on the help section. Now let's try out the mobile version. With the mobile version, you will need to install Microsoft 365 from the Play Store, which comes already installed on Samsung devices. Once the installation is done, you should be able to access it from your app menu. And this is how its interface looks like. Tap on the Create button and then tap on Voice. Give it the required permissions and then you are good to go. Once the voice is open, it will begin to transcribe whatever you say. Let's try reading the sentence that we read from the book earlier on. Well, if I was to rank both the mobile version and then the PC version, I would say that a mobile version brings the punctuation automatically. Once I'm done speaking or saying whatever I want to say, I can tap on done and that's all. Now in the mobile version, it's going to save both the text and then the voice as well onto your OneDrive. If I should tap on it, we can see the text here and then I'm also given the chance to play whatever I said and it says it in my voice. Let's try reading the sentence that we read from the book earlier on. This doesn't end here. It's also possible for you to be able to edit the text that you have said to make it suit whatever you wanted to actually say. Let's say you couldn't transcribe it properly. Is this a feature that you will be trying out? Would like to know in the comment section. And thank you for coming this far to watch the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't and share to many others as well. And see you in the next video.